honorable colleagues, before we round up our meeting, honorable minister, there is a request from one of my leaders with the issue of estate certification. Estate certification in Abuja that we knew previously, certificates are given according to areas. Payment on certificate on estate should be done according to areas. For instance, somebody that occupies a 3-bedroom in Borimba and a 3-bedroom in Maitama, if you put a flat rate for it to pay, I think there won't be any justice there. So I'm coming on, Minister. I remember when I was staying in a flat in Musetu, one of my friends stays in Kubo, will pay a different fee to this certificate. So I think you should look at it, you should tell your tax force, look at the payments. Somebody residing in Asokoro, somebody residing in Maitama, somebody residing in Musetu, fine, they can pay what you said. But if you're residing down Guaripa, it will be very difficult. Please, Honorable Minister, look and review your... Okay.
CFO is not giving based on 1-bedroom flat. CFO is not giving based on 5-bedroom. CFO is CFO. What you pay differently is ground rent. In ground rent, what you pay here is not what by the size. That's what ground rent is based on the size of the land. Application. No. But let me say that. If you say so, you may be living in a 1-bedroom flat today, they give you share for tomorrow, clean down the house and build a 5-bedroom house.
Okay, Honorable Minister. In CFOs, in an offer, they normally give anybody. You see, the bill they give him for payment of CFO from Maitama differ from the bill they give him to pay for CFO in Kubo from the same FCT.
No, I don't see that.
Yes.
This is my job, no? My job.
Let them deny. See your ears here.
They have no powers to speak. I am the boss.
Yes.
So what I've told you is what FCT does. You don't answer what I've said. If they do that, then the problem with the we have reduced it. We met with stakeholders. So it was not a decision taken alone by FCT. The town board proposed something. So we took the town hall meeting where developers and those who bought were all there. Of course, argument counter argument. So we have reduced it drastically. You know this, even if you put it 1 naira, some people will still say reduce it. You didn't know what it costs us now. The security features we have to print one CFO. What will it cost us to put the security features in one person's CFO? What will it cost us to operate? And it don't give them a security so it's not about going to anybody to go and print CFO. So in as much as I agree with you, things are hard, but CFO can be used to also collect money from the bank. Somebody wants CFO of 3 million, goes to borrow money from the bank of 100 million. Look at the other side. Don't look at the one on that side.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Honorable Minister, we have our leaders with us here. Honorable, our leader, minority leader, Honorable Chinda, Honorable Ali Jesse, and I saw a former leader, our former Honorable George. We have 4 leaders here that come to attend the budget defense of FCT. Let me allow our minority leader to say something.